So welcome back. This is how you clone a project in GitHub. So first of all is to open the folder that you want to save the project in. And for example, you can create a folder here and call it test like that, and select this folder like that. Sorry, you can use the folder tests. Select the folder like that. It will be opened here. Now in GitHub, here as you can see, it is my project here. And this green button here code, you can just copy this code here like that. Come to VS Code, open terminal like that, and just paste git clone and then paste the link like that. Remember, you have to install git first. You can install it in your browser, you can search git download and you can just install. And you can see here it have begun to clone, and you can see here it have done a great job. Now to learn this so that you can test, since it is a HTML file, so you can just go right here and you can see that the calculator is working fine. Just like that. And that is how you can clone. You can easily clone in GitHub repository directory in GitHub. Thank you.